Hey guys, so today I'm going to be testing this Macart nail extension gel kit. This is a builder gel kit, so that is a change from the usual poly gel. So I peeked in this kit and we actually get dual forms with this, so that's what we're going to be doing today. You guys know I don't usually use dual forms, but I feel like I want to try them with this builder gel. So let's open this. So first off, we get these 3 builder gels, and these are like full size ones, a base coat and a top coat. Then we get 3 more of these, a brush and slip solution vial, some regular nail forms, and the dual forms. This kit is about $50 on Amazon, so that's a little bit more expensive than most kits that I try. So I hope that it's good. So I'm gonna just put all this to the side and we'll get right on to the nails. Here are my nails. I just took off another kit. I'm covering my pinky because I accidentally nipped it when I was doing my cuticles. Anyway, I'm just going to start by buffing my nails. I like to do this with a buffing block opposed to a file because I feel like these get around the edges a lot better and aren't as harsh. Next, I'm just going to use this primer and dehydrator from Trinity USA because this kit does not come with any. So now is when we should go over the shades. I'm gonna just show you guys quickly what each shade looks like. 331 is like a really light pink peach. 332 is even lighter and more peachy. 333 is light, almost like a light taupe. 334 is almost like a cool brown. 335 is a little bit of a lighter, cooler brown. And 336 is definitely like a darker taupe. And here are all of the shades in order. I actually really like this light pink and this. I would say this is actually not like a light brown taupe. It's more of like a dark pink. I really like these first 3, this light pink, this sort of peachy color, and this light taupe gray. I think these are all really pretty. While I'm at it, I should probably size my nails with the dual forms. I've never done dual forms with regular building gel, so I'm hoping that this is an easy process just like it is with poly gel. Now I'm going to put on the primer that I got out earlier. And before we do anything else, we need to put the base coat on. From all the other kits from Macart I've tried, I really like their base and top, if I can get it open. As I was saying, I really like their base and top coats. They're always a little bit thinner in my opinion, which I feel like they're always really easy to work with. And into the light. Okay, so now that my nails all have a base coat, I need to decide what color I'm gonna do, and I have no idea, so I think I'm actually gonna have my boyfriend pick since he's home. What color? That one. The dark one? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so he picked this super dark one, 336, so let's just start. I'm gonna start with the thumb. And this builder gel is a lot thicker than most normal builder gels. Like, I'm having trouble squeezing it out of the tube. Then I'm gonna take the brush that it comes with, and I just noticed, look, it's all like detailed right here. How cute. I almost never use this spatula side. And then I'll be using this nail surface cleaner, so the slip solution for this. So because this is darker, I'm hoping that it cures without an issue. Sometimes if there is too much pigment, it won't cure and you'll end up with like this weird bubble on the inside. And I think this is it. You know, as far as length, I think I'm going to be a little reasonable today because I have some other products I'm wanting to try soon. So these ones probably aren't going to be on more than like a week. So I'm just going to place that on and do some cleaning up. Back looks okay to me, and into the light. I'm leaving this in for an extra long time just because it is a darker color. I want to make sure it cures. The last thing I want is for there to be that like weird little bubble. Okay, let's see. And here we are. Feels okay. Looks pretty good. Of course, needs some shaping and stuff, but not bad. Okay, so same deal with the rest of these. You do really have to make sure you have a lot of the slip solution or it is sticky. Okay, and now I'm gonna put this one on. This one's needing a little bit more help staying down, that's okay. I don't really think this one needs too much cleaning up, except maybe on this underside, like so. Okay, I'm gonna pop this off. And here we are with this one. Hopefully these will look better once shaped. Might have gotten a little bit too much there. This one is going to need some filing down. I did it a little bit too long. So I'm just going to quickly go finish these two fingers so we can move on with the shaping. Okay, so all of them are done. Now I'm going to file. You don't need an electric file unless you got a bunch of goop back here and you need to like drill down. I smoothed it out when I was doing these so I don't have to, so I'm just going to use a regular file, the one that came with the kit, and I'm just going to file these gel files pretty easily so it shouldn't take too long. Okay, so now these are all filed. I know they are so short. Everyone who's always telling me to do shorter nails, this set is for you. I'm gonna go rinse these off and then we will get on to decorating. Okay, and here they are all filed and clean. So now it's time to decorate. So I have a bunch of these really cute glitters that I want to use. Look at how pretty this one. So I'm pulling out my rhinestone glue, which I use with glitter and other little decals because it works for me. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to decorate these a bit, and then maybe some of this glitter. So pretty. So I am basically just going to get a nail and just put a little bit of this rhinestone glue on here. Then I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to put it all over. Make it even, and then I'm going to open this and just place some of those glitters down. Alright, and then I got this little bit of a design going, and now I'm going to put some more of this gel on this nail, and we're going to do some of the little glitters. Now with this glitter, I want to be careful because it's really fine. And I'm going to use a fan brush. I feel like this glitter goes really well with the color that my boyfriend chose. I'm not sure if I want to use this green. It is so pretty and it matches these ones. So I think I have to. I just want it to still all look cohesive. That's on tight. Oh no. Ooh, pretty. Okay, when I opened up this one, I had to take a second and make sure that this other one that I used wasn't like a rub-on powder, and it's not. I tried and this green is, it's like oil slick flakies, and the other one is 100% just glitter. For a second, I was almost thinking it was almost like a buffing in powder, but it is not. I tried. It is very gritty. It is definitely just glitter, which means I'm gonna do the oil slick looking flakies on this finger, and then we're gonna just do the rest in this glitter. So I'm just going to put the regular top coat on, and I'm gonna cure that quickly. And then I'm just going to use my finger and buff these in. So pretty. I am just going to finish off these other fingers with the other glitter. I like using this rhinestone glue instead of a top coat because I feel like just something different. I feel like this is a bit thicker and so it sinks in a little bit more and it actually cures. When I put glitter on top coat, sometimes it does not cure, but I never really have that problem with this one unless it's like completely jam-packed on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cure these. Then just to make it a little bit more cohesive, I'm gonna put a couple of the big glitters on here. Better, I'm gonna cure these one more time. Okay, so now it's time for the top coat. I wasn't sure if these were like Halloween nails or fall nails, and I feel like they kind of fall somewhere in between, with the base being sort of like a dark gray brown and then green and orange glitters on top, just like a non-conventional Halloween themed set, or like a little bit more subtle compared to these ones. Then I'm gonna put some cuticle oil on. And here is the final set. Probably not my favorite set I've ever done. It's really different. It's probably just the length for me, honestly. The glitter does look nice. Trying to show like the sparkle in it. Super pretty. Just a lot different from what I normally do. Overall, with this kit, I did like it. Is it worth $50? I don't know, because it did come with so many of these gels, and they came with full 30 milliliter tubes, which a lot of the time they only come with 15, and they'll be like half sides. So you do get 6 of them. You do get the dual forms and the regular forms and a little bit of a bigger thing of the slip solution. I also did like how thick these gels are. I was a little skeptical if the gel was gonna work in the dual forms, because I feel like if the gel was any thinner, it would have a really hard time. It would probably just all smush out, but it worked well with these ones since they are thicker builder gels. I do think it's a good set if you are looking for a bunch of different builder gels and you kind of want just like an all-in-one kit. So that's really all I have for you guys today. If I didn't mention, these glitters are from Nail Team. I feel like these nails look more Halloween-y when I put them with my other hand. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you guys like this set. Let me know how you guys like me doing this shorter length. Some of you guys like how long I do them. Some of you wish I would do them shorter because that's how you do them. Let me know how you feel about this. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you next time. Bye!